Hello and welcome back once again to Abby's Fusion Cooking Channel, where good food can set you in a good mood. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if this is your first time of watching, please do remember to subscribe, like and share this video. So today I'll be making a very quick and easy snack recipe. Yes, adults do love it and children also do love it. So it's something that everyone in the family would enjoy. If you're ready, let's dig straight into the ingredients. So I've got about 6 sweet vine tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 clove of garlic. I've got some coriander leaves and 1 Padron pepper, 2 avocados, some oil to fry, salt to taste, and my plantains. So I have placed my pan on the fire. I've added my oil and I'm now adding salt. Yes, you can add your salt to the oil before you fry your plantains. I've left the oil on low heat and I've come to peel all of the plantains to get them ready. Yes, so by the time the oil becomes hot, I also have my sliced plantains, which are all ready lined up to go into the oil. So I would peel them and clean them all in this manner, and then I will divide them into 2 to make it easier to peel. So over here you've got your potato peeler. Yes, what you would normally use to peel your potatoes, and this will help you achieve that very thin texture or layer that you want. So use this to peel all your plantains and line them up ready to be placed in the hot oil. So I'm just stirring the salts which I did put in before so it can dissolve well in the oil. And I'll start adding the plantains, the sliced plantains. I added 1 to test whether the oil was hot enough. I'm not going to put all the plantains in there at once. I'll just put small bits at a time. It doesn't actually take too long for these plantains to be ready, because they are that thin. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure you turn them on the sides frequently so it doesn't burn. Make sure sober down or sa to the baya and shit. And my gas is on medium to low heat. So after 2 to 3 minutes of turning them on the sides frequently, my plantain chips are ready. need to come out. So I'll continue this process with the rest of the sliced plantains. So I will now start to make the avocado dip, or what the Mexicans call guacamole. So I have two avocados. One is a bit big and one is small. So I'm just taking those parts which looks a bit more brown than actual avocado. As you can see, I've taken that side away, and I'll just scrape all my avocado out and put them in the bowl. Yes, so I'll use the spoon to take the avocado out. I'll do the same with the other avocado. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do click on the subscription button below. Please do subscribe so I can bring you more videos. If I'm a show someone subscribe, yeah, we subscription button na wasi hono. So the beya bet me then bet me bring more videos. So I'll use this potato masher to kind of mash the avocados, but I'm mashing it in such a way that it wouldn't turn into a baby's food, you know. You don't want it too smooth. There need to be some coarse avocados left in there. So that's my garlic. I'm using the garlic presser. So just put a little bit that comes out in there. And I'm now cutting my Padron chili peppers. I chose this kind of pepper because it's not too spicy. Yeah, so you can use this in the dip and your children can have it. Or if you have adults who don't like too much spicy stuff, you can add this Padron pepper instead of using real, green chilies. They aren't too spicy, so it's a good one. So I'll slice this into smaller pieces. And then add it to the mixture. I'm now dicing the onions into smaller pieces as well. And I'm dicing the sweet vine tomatoes as well. These are smaller ones, and you can take the seeds out before putting them in the mixture, but I prefer mine with the seeds in there. And then last but not the least, you add your sliced coriander leaves. Make sure you add your salt as well. I'm not adding a lot, I'm just adding a little bit of salt to the mixture. You can add lime juice to it. Yeah, just one small green lime will do. But I didn't add lime to it because I prefer mine without. So it's all good if you do add the lime to it. It is very healthy, yes. Healthy and quick to make. Just look at how beautiful it looks. Homemade, crunchy and crispy plantain chips. I bet you try some at home to please your family and the children. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you give this a try. Until we meet next time, bye.